To make the little cake, what I did was I took some white Model Magic air dry clay and just conditioned it, and you condition it by just playing with it. And then what you want to do is you just add a little bit of paint in whatever color you want, and I chose pink, and you just kind of fold it in there. After that, I just rolled it out really flat. This is basically going to be fake fondant, so you do want it pretty thin. I just took the little styrofoam disc that I just cut out of leftover styrofoam and just kind of used the spackle as glue, and then I'm going to cover it with the fake fondant and then smooth and shape that down. So here I am cutting it, and you just pull the excess away. And then I took some time to reshape this because it was a little uneven. So I added more clay to make it symmetrical, as you can see. And then I just took some lightweight spackle and I added some paint to it and mixed that up. And then I'm taking my little spatula and I'm gonna go ahead and start frosting my fake cake here. And then I just did some final smoothing out with this popsicle stick, and I just very gently went over any kind of rough edges. You could also sand this with a really fine sandpaper. I didn't do that, but it's just a tip that you could do. Finally, I just took a small star tip and I just went around the edge like it was real frosting, and I used the lightweight spackle for this. And I just left it white. I didn't add any paint or anything like that. And then I just added little dollops of the fake frosting to the top. And I added some fake strawberry cabochons. So here's the final product. I think it came out really cute. If you enjoyed this video, please leave me a comment. I love hearing from you. Please subscribe and hit the little bell so you know when I post something new. Thank you so much for watching. There is the final product. I think it came out really cute. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked it, please subscribe, and I appreciate it so much. Thank you.